Owen, can you smile for Mom? Yeah. Oh, tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. Can you tell me more? Who's so big? Oh my gosh. Look at that smile. I love it. I love that smile. Really? You're talking to me now, huh? You have a lot to say? Really? Oh, so handsome. So handsome. You tell me some more. Hey, you. How's my big boy? Can you smile for me some more? Hear your big brother. I know, do you hear him? What is it, Jackson?